But our top story tonight comes from Uttar Pradesh, where the Uttar Pradesh government has defended the hurried cremation of a Hathras victim. The government has filed an affidavit in the Supreme Court claiming that the cremation was done at night to prevent any law and order incident the next morning. In fact, the UP government is now insisting that this was a conspiracy to spark off caste and communal violence. Is the government engaging in damage limitation, or does it have hard evidence to prove its charges? Our top story tonight is the latest on the Hathras horror.
The alleged rape of a 19-year-old Dalit girl, a brutal murder, and the family's misery at not being able to cremate her body has triggered waves of protest in India. It has left the Supreme Court equally horrified. On Tuesday, a bench headed by the Chief Justice of India said what had happened in Hathras was horrible, was extraordinary. The bench particularly questioned the witness protection measures after complaints that the Dalit family was being intimidated and living in fear. But the Uttar Pradesh government is smelling a conspiracy behind the protests in Hathras. The Yogi government, in its affidavit, told the Apex Court that a false narrative is being spun and that it's hindering the SIT probe. The UP government says there is a bid to tarnish its image and the centre must allow a CBI probe into the crime. The state government asserted that the cremation of the victim took place in presence of the family members and that there are attempts to incite caste and communal clashes over Hathras. The affidavit in the Supreme Court was in line with what the UP Chief Minister has publicly said.
बहुत सारे लोगों को विकास अच्छा नहीं लगता। तमाम प्रकार के षड्यंत्रों के माध्यम से सरकार को भी बदनाम करने का कार्य करते हैं और साथ-साथ समाज में जाति और सांप्रदायिक विद्वेष की भावना पैदा करने का कार्य करते हैं।
Multiple agencies are looking at the case. A निष्पक्ष जांच, since I would like to attract the attention of Mr. Gandhi, a निष्पक्ष जांच will assure justice to not only the lady but everybody in the country who wants justice to be done.
The opposition says that Yogi government is trying to hide the truth behind the crime.
सीबीआई जांच हो, कोई भी जांच हो, अब वो बच्ची तो नहीं लौटेगी ना। और ये आए दिन हो रहा है उत्तर प्रदेश में, तो इसका मतलब लॉ एंड ऑर्डर कुछ रह नहीं गया है। जो जैसे चाह रहा है वैसे हो रहा है। उस परिवार को कैसा लग रहा होगा जब आप रातों रात जबरदस्ती पुलिस ने जला दिया।
जांच सीबीआई के द्वारा हो रही है, पर मैं ये भी कहना चाहूंगा कि अगर सुप्रीम कोर्ट की निगरानी में होगी तो लोगों का विश्वास बढ़ेगा।
Meanwhile, the SIT that had been camping in Hathras has completed its probe and would be submitting its findings to the Chief Minister on Wednesday.
The government is attempting to justify the extraordinary decision taken to conduct the midnight cremation. In addition, the government has also claimed that the family of the victim had not only been present at the funeral, they had also consented to it, which is something that the family has so far denied. The court has for now asked the government to file a detailed affidavit on what kind of legal aid and protection is being given to the bereaved family. In New Delhi, this is Anisha Mathur for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.